Alright, so let's talk about the maximum number of balloons. So you are given a string text, so you want to use a character of text to form as many as instead of the word balloon as possible. So in this example, okay, I'm just giving you two examples. So this is B, this is A, and double L, and double O, and N, right? So balloon is spelled like this, right? So if I spell correctly, this is like this. So there are two characters for O, two characters for L, and then in this example, you do have one balloon, two balloons, right? So basically, it's super simple. Let me redraw again. I need to include the definition. So basically, it's this. You have to return the maximum number. But what happens if you only have one A and then you have the rest of the more than 3, right? Or more than 4, doesn't matter. So you're still going to return 1, right? This is because you only have one A, right? So for the minimum, so we just take the minimum between A and B and then N, right? And then we also have to take the minimum at L and O, right? But in this case, L occurs twice for the word, right? So you have to divide by 2. So minimum, so mean between entire distance. So this is the answer. So let me just quickly dive into the question. So B equal to 0, and then A equal to 0, L equal to 0. A equal to 0, L equal to 0, and then O equal to 0, N equal to 0, right? So I will traverse the entire string, text dot to char array, and then I will have a switch case. So switch is going to depend on the C. So I will say case B, and I will break case A, case A, and then I will break case L, and then I will break, and then case O, and then I will break case N, and then I will break, and I will have a default, right? And then I will break. So let me do this correctly. Case N, I will increment my B. Sorry, case B. No, not case N. Okay. Then I will have a case A. Increment my A. Case L. Increment my L. Case O. Increment my O. Case N. Increment N. So when I want to return, right? You can basically just return right over here, but you're going to have a lot of input. So okay, it doesn't matter. Let me just do it with you. So I will say method min, and method min I have to between two method min, right? So for this one, it's going to say L and O, right? L and O, right? But it has to divide it by 2. This is because you take 2 characters for the word. And in this case, it's going to be what? A, B, and N, right? A, B, and N. But in method min, you only can take 2 input. So I will also have to use another method min in B, N. And this is the solution. So let me run again. All right, submit. And here we go. So let's talk about time and space. For every single character you traverse, it's going to be all of them for the time. For the space, this is actually constant. And when you compare, right, the time is actually all of 1 for sure. So time is all of n, space is all of 1. And this will be the solution. And I will see you next time. Bye.